Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best spark plug wires is probably one of the most overlooked components in your vehicle's ignition system, but they play a crucial role in delivering the spark needed to ignite the air-fuel mixture. Over time, these wires can degrade, leading to misfires, reduced fuel efficiency, and poor engine performance. In this video, we'll dive into the world of spark plug wires, exploring what makes a great set and how to choose the right ones for your car. Number 5. ACDelco 9748HH Spark Plug Wire Set. This wire set is designed for maximum spark delivery and protection. The wire conductor, length, and diameter work together to ensure optimal performance. The spark plug distributor boot is designed for a proper fit and a watertight seal. This helps to protect the engine from the elements. It ensures the engine runs smoothly. The terminal design improves spark plug retention and offers excellent corrosion resistance. This helps to extend the life of the wires. It also assists with easy installation. The insulator employs high dielectric materials. This helps to prevent electrical shorts and ensures reliable performance. It is a key component for the wire's function. The coil retainer prevents fretting and micro-arcing. This helps to maintain the integrity of the wires. It ensures the engine runs efficiently. What we like. This set focuses on reliability and protection. It provides maximum spark delivery and features a watertight seal, ensuring optimal performance even in challenging conditions. If you are looking for a spark plug wire set that prioritizes durability and consistent performance in various environments, you should consider this one. What people say. These were a perfect replacement for OEM plugs. They are working great. These ACDelco wires not only fit better but look nice and OEM. So far they have performed great and I seem to have a slightly nicer idle. A great quality OEM product for a 2000 Silverado. Exactly what you are paying for. Number 4. Edelbrock Ultra Spark 50 Plug Wire Set. This is the Edelbrock Ultra Spark 50 Plug Wire Set. It's designed to deliver maximum voltage for ultimate performance. This set is engineered for high-performance engines. Made from high-quality materials, this wire set ensures the most spark possible. It provides the power your engine needs to run at its best. The set has extremely high EMI RFI suppression. It also features a very low resistance to minimize noise and maximize performance. The heavy-duty 8.5 mm diameter silicone jacket protects the Kevlar spiral wound core. This protects it from heat, moisture, and chemicals. The wire leads deliver a low 40 ohms of resistance per foot. This design maximizes EMI RFI noise suppression. It is 12.5 inches in length. What we like. This set is engineered for high-performance engines. It offers extremely high EMI RFI suppression and very low resistance, maximizing the spark. If you have a high-performance engine and need to squeeze every ounce of power, it is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The wires are a little longer than the ACDelco performance ones I had on before, but it was perfect since my new coils needed longer wires. They fit perfectly, are easy to snap into place. Fit great on my 2013 Chevy Silverado 1500 V8. Number 3. NGK RC VWC 036 Spark Plug Wire Set. This is a set of 6 wires, including a coil lead. It is designed to deliver a powerful spark for your engine. The variable pitch winding design delivers ultra-low resistance. This helps to ensure optimal performance. Each wire is numbered for easy cylinder identification. The coil wires are also color-coded for correct installation. It features positive locking, corrosion-resistant stainless steel terminal ends. This ensures a tight fit and resists vibration. The high-temp silicone outer jacket resists moisture, oil, and cracking. This protects it from extreme temperatures. What we like. This set is designed for easy installation and superior noise suppression. The variable pitch winding delivers ultra-low resistance and outstanding EMI RFI noise suppression. If you like a hassle-free installation process without sacrificing performance, you should consider this one. What people say. The wires are well made and numbered so that they are the appropriate length for the corresponding cylinder number, no more guessing or moving wires around for a better fit. They also have split wire loom tubing already pre-installed to protect the wires. Cured occasional P0300, P0303, and P0305 misfires and significantly improved performance in my A4B5. These NGK plug wires fit very snug in the spark plug well, and they look great also. They are very high quality. My 99 Audi A4 2.8 V6 Quattro runs much smoother now, without breaking up. These NGK wires fit better than my old Bosch plugs ever did. The wires are all the same length and numbered. I would recommend changing one at a time as to not mix up the wires and cause misfiring in the engine. Number 2. A-Team 8mm red spark plug wire kit for Chevy GMC. This is the A-Team Performance Spark Plug Wire Kit. It's designed to provide exceptional longevity for your vehicle's ignition system. This kit is compatible with Chevy, Chevrolet, and GMC V6 V8 engines, ensuring optimal performance. This ignition wire set is designed for Chevy, Chevrolet, and GMC 4.3L, 5.0L, and 5.7L TBI EFI engines. It enhances engine efficiency and supports reliable ignition for your automotive wire systems. With 90-degree boots, the spark plug wires allow for quick and secure installation. It's ideal for HEI distributors, ensuring a snug fit and improving the efficiency of your vehicle's ignition. Built with high dielectric strength insulators and heavy glass braid, this kit resists heat and abrasion. The durable silicone jackets and high-temperature black boots extend the lifespan of the spark plug wires. This V8 plug wire kit is specifically crafted for use with HEI distributors. Please note that a coil wire is not included and must be purchased separately if needed. What we like. This kit is designed for easy installation and seamless engine integration. It provides exceptional longevity and is compatible with Chevy, Chevrolet, and GMC vehicles. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install solution for your Chevy, Chevrolet, or GMC vehicle, you should consider this one. What people say. The wires fit perfectly. The product works as expected. Number 1. ACDelco 746KK, 889-84265, Spark Plug Wire Set. This spark plug wire set delivers the same performance as the original components in your GM vehicle. It's designed to meet the high standards set by the manufacturer, ensuring reliable operation. The distributor boot's shape and materials guarantee a proper fit and a watertight seal. This design helps protect the engine from the elements, ensuring optimal performance. The terminal design improves spark plug retention and makes installation easier. It also offers excellent corrosion resistance, which helps to extend the life of the product. It features a fiberglass braid and a carbon-impregnated fiberglass core. These materials provide added strength and superior conductivity, ensuring efficient spark delivery. This wire set is engineered to suppress electromagnetic interference and radio frequency interference. This helps to maintain the performance of your vehicle's electronic systems. What we like. This set offers the same performance as your original factory component. It features superior conductivity and is engineered for EMI RFI noise suppression. If you are looking for a reliable, original quality replacement, you should consider this one. What people say. This is the high-quality silicon plug wires you want for your Chevy. These original wires are made very well and have used better materials. Worked perfectly. No more misfires. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.